Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am back with another interesting topic which we have seen already. Words to use instead of very, and it is part 3. Let's replace the boring English words with some interesting new words. I have given the link of part 1 and part 2 in the description. So once again, let's make it interesting by using alternate words for very, and keep watching the video right till the end. And if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel. Words to use instead of very, part 3. Number 1 in our list is very funny, hilarious, hilarious. Example: this is a hilarious game. Number 2 in our list is very angry, furious, furious. Example: Nila is furious with me. Number 3 in our list is very difficult, arduous, arduous. Example: it was an arduous trip. Number 4 in our list is very dry, arid, arid. Example: the crops will grow in the arid area. Number 5 in our list is very huge, colossal, colossal. Example: the singer earns a colossal amount of money. Number 6 in our list is very upset, distraught, distraught. Example: Nila looks distraught. Number 7 in our list is very quick, rapid, rapid. Example: the rapid growth of the population should be controlled. Number 8 in our list is very dirty, filthy, filthy. Her clothes were filthy. Number 9 in our list is very quiet, hushed, hushed. Example: the mother hushed her noisy child. Number 10 in our list is very little, tiny. Example: he came from a tiny mountain town. So that's it with today's video. Now tell me which of these were your favorite word and drop down in the comment box. I'll meet you soon with another interesting video, so stay tuned. And if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.